Okay, we're going to run a little test here on the ARB air compressor. So my left front tire is down to 15 pounds, which is about normally what I bring it down to when I'm off-roading in, at the Badlands or, normal dirt. So we have the stopwatch here, and I'm going to get ready to hit the air compressor and start the stopwatch. I'm going to have to put the phone down for a second because all my hands are full. But I'm going to put it down for a second and I'll start this. All right, here we go. All right, so there's my stopwatch. And we'll see how long this is going to take. And I double checked it with a manual gauge. This is reading correctly. So when it was showing 15 pounds on the dash, that is correct. It is 15 pounds at the tire, and I did double check that with a manual gauge. We're already up to 20, and we're at just under a minute. I normally run my tires right around 30 pounds. And we're just over a minute. We're at 25 and just under a minute and a half. And we're at 28 pounds, just under 2 minutes. 29 pounds, we're at a minute 57. Still at 29. Oh, we just jumped to 31. So 2 minutes, 15 seconds to get to 31 pounds. It's not bad.